Good morning. Welcome to Meadow Creek Ranch. We're going to check out some old cars today. This is a bed and breakfast on the way to Yosemite in Northern California. Check it out. This morning, we're installing the rebuilt speedometer for the 1919 Studebaker. The gauge is in, and the cable is routed into the engine and down through the floorboard, and we'll be connecting it to the gearbox. It's going to be a fun day. Okay, starter cable is a little too long. The actual fitting needs to be taken down a little bit, so we're just going to do that in the shop.
5. Could be a little bit more even. Well, okay. 1,485, and I need to go down to about, say, another 20 below that 485. Let's go. Let's take it down to 460. Okay.
All right.
I put a chamfer on it, and now I'm going to go down till the chamfer goes away. That way I won't keep going.
Oh, 'cause
once I get down to there, that means that tells me when to stop.
Yep, good point.
Okay, how close are we? Oh, I went a little too far. 152. That's good. It's down out. It's going to fit.
Yeah.
Went about 6,000 or 7,000 farther than I wanted to. But I think that's going to be right where we want to be.
Yeah.
that little ridge in there, where that contour is on the inside? This guy is right now, right about there. So I think this is going to do it.
I'm gonna come on the other side. Still filming.
Yeah, that's it.
It's in there, huh? Good.
Yep. And we want to go under this, but we want to go around that.
There you go. That's a good shot.
I'm right at 40. What do you think about 40, Uncle Mark?
40 is a good place.
Good to me.
It's 40, there we go. It's 40 PSI, we shouldn't be sagging.
Yeah, it does look a tad low at 40. It looks low.
You sure you can't find it?
I can't find it, man. I was looking online. It says max. I think it's 65 though.
Okay.
Max.
So we're going up here. We're not getting in the way of anything here. We're well above the muffler. Or below the floor. We're not chafing on any wires. Okay, so now what we gotta do is figure out where things go over here so we can lash this thing down so that when we do the clutch thing here, it doesn't hit.
I'm gonna take it up to 100 miles an hour and see if it works. Right, Jaron.
Okay,
That's
I need a test clutch and brake actuator. Okay, Jaron, can you get in there? Can you shoehorn yourself in there? Okay, now, when I tell you, put your foot on, depress the clutch pedal. Okay, we are totally clear there. That's all the way down?
that's all I know.
Okay, we're missing that cable by a full inch and that's not moving. Okay,
Let it go.
yeah, let her up. And now do the same with the brake.
Ready?
Yeah. We're not coming anywhere close to it. Good. If we could just get that thing to stay right where it is. Now we decide, because this thing is going an angle through there, I don't want to put it, I don't want to make it do something that it's not doing.
Right.
But I'd like to have it stay right there.
Yeah, because the floorboard's down.
So
It goes right here, and then the. Oh, is that as far as it goes? There we go.
That's as far as it goes?
I think that's where it's supposed to go.
Okay, well that changes my, glad you did that, it changes my
Yeah,
calculus.
it should be like right about there.
Well, yes.
Because I saw it scooch down.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold this thing right here. I want somebody to press and depress the clutch
You
again.
want to hop in here?
Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of starting fluid in the prime cylinders.
Here, Rex.
Dry wood.
Open. Close that up. Close that up. All these are closed. Next. I turn the fuel on. First thing to do is prime it. This is a fuel pump. I did fit it with an electric fuel pump.
Electric fuel pump.
It doesn't stop by itself. So you have to-
Hey, there's a bumblebee in there. Get out.
Okay, choke. Got that choke. We turn on the ignition. We're going to retard the spark where it says start. That means we retard the spark. I'm going to give it just a tad of throttle. We're in neutral. Brakes on. Clutch in just so we're not dragging the engine. We're going to hit this. Oh, come on, let's do it again.
Sounded good.
Good picture, everyone smile. Oh yeah, wait till we back out. How about that?
There we go.
No, we're not gonna see it. This is a tight clutch.
No seatbelts. Is that even legal?
It's outdated. Yeah. There you go.
Woo! Oh god.
Oh, it's picture.
There we go.